I was overconfident with our backups, let's say. So we had the backup software. I think it was Backup Exec. And we had all the servers being backed up. We had everything going to dual tapes. The tapes were going off site. Everything was working. So the idea was that even if a tape broke or if something happened to the backup we weren't entirely sure of, or you couldn't restore from one of the tapes, you could then get the other tape and use that tape to do the restore. So we had all that stuff going on, and we got all the emails, and of course, we're getting the emails saying all the backups are good. Everything must be absolutely fine. Why would we test them? Why we're busy enough with other tickets and other stuff going on and projects. We haven't got time to test them. What's the point? We know they work. I was sitting there quite fat, dumb, and happy, going, "We've got the emails. The backups work. We know they work. Where's the problem?" I didn't see any issue here at all. We had the backups. They were going off site. They were being looked after for us. We even recalled tapes to make sure we could do the process and no tapes were getting lost. So we did that level of testing. But what we never actually tested was actually restoring the data itself. Um, and it was a bit of an epiphany when we actually had someone come into the team who, brand new to IT, he started looking through some old tickets and he was saying things like, "Why did you do such and such a change this way?" So there's a whole education thing going on there. And that's when he asked the question, "When did you test the backups?" What do you mean test them? We've got the emails. Look, here you can see the servers. Here's the tape drives. Here's the tapes. We record the tape. Yeah, sure, but when did you restore something? And it's something I won't actually forget because there was this look. There's only four of us in the IT team. We were a really small team for a company of about 300. And there's this look kind of around the whole office, and everyone's going, "Well, we haven't actually tested them, have we?"
It's like a light bulb goes
Um,
off, and it's ooh.
and we like, hang on. Yeah, we should probably test one of these, shouldn't we? Okay, what should we test? And looking back on it, it was a really insane moment just to think that we'd had these. I think we'd actually had the emails coming in for over a year.
Now you've decided, okay, we haven't tested, maybe we should actually try doing the test. How did you decide
Yeah.
what to test?
Funny enough, it was a new guy. The discussion was actually okay, you're the person sitting there looking through the tickets, you're looking through the documentation, you're new to it all. You want us to prove to you that the restore process works. We know it does. Pick something. And then he sat there and he went, "How about the Exchange server?" Like,
Swinging for
okay,
the
fine.
fences.
Yeah. So we thought, okay, fine. We'll get the tapes back on site. We'll do the restore. We'll prove that the backups work, and we can go back to what we're normally doing, all the project work, that kind of thing. We can spend a day on this. It'll be good for us. Not a problem. We even went to the documentation and got the documentation out and said, "Yeah, look, we've got the documentation. The tapes are coming in. This is going to be easy," and it wasn't.